Hi developer. So in last part we integrated the API for my order, and now we'll integrate one more API for cancel order. And one more thing that we need to do, which is you can see that in header area we don't have any link to jump on the my orders. And let's say you are on the home page, or maybe you are on the detail page and you want to access the my orders. You cannot do that for a moment, right? Yes, you can directly provide the link in address bar and jump there, but there should be a link. So we will just add that link also. And now let's have a look of the points of this video. So first of all, we will create a service and call our cancel order API. After that, we need to remove that order which is just cancelled, right? And at the last, we will provide the link for my orders in our header area. So let's get start with the code, and I am just starting with the product.service.ts, and I'm just creating a function with the name of, let's say, cancel order, right? And we will receive there a parameter also, which is order ID, and that will be a type of number. And after that, let's return the API result, which is, so to call API we have to provide the service with the HTTP, and there is a function to delete the record from API, which is delete. And now we can provide the link. So here we go with link. Alright, let me add their single quotes at the starting, and just change cart with the orders, and also add the order ID there, like this. Alright, and that's all. And now you can call this function inside the my order component.ts, right? So I am creating one more function here, which is cancel order, and we can provide ID there that we will access from the UI button. So once user will just click on that button, this function will be called. So order ID will be passed from there, and the type of this could be number or undefined, right? Okay, and now if order ID is not undefined, then we can simply call this dot product dot cancel order, and there we can provide order ID also. And now let's just click on the subscribe, just subscribe this function, and it will just return a callback, and we will check there if we will got result there. And let's say if result is not undefined, that is positive, that time we have to re-render that UI part, right? Because one item is deleted from that list from DB, so that we just need to fetch that list again from DB and provide the latest data. So for that, you can directly just copy this link and paste there, but now you can see that our code is basically duplicate. So what we can do there, we can just create a common function. So let's say my common function name is get order list, right? And inside this we can make call our product list. And now you can call this function, this dot order list. Once result is, we just get positive result. And the same thing you can do inside the this dot get order list, like this. And now let's see, is it working fine or not? So currently you can see that we have 3 results. So if I'm just clicking on a cancel, okay, so one more thing that we need to do, which is we have to call this function on a button click, that we actually missed, right? So that is function. So let's just define a click event. On the click event we will call cancel order, and in cancel order we have to pass the order dot ID, because that is the ID related to that order, and this order we just fetch from the product order data in last part, right? So now again I am trying to delete the second record. So if I just click on the delete order, you can see that the first and third result are there. Even you can refresh it, but there is a no more result, right? Because one is deleted. Alright, so now let's provide a link for my order in our header area. So I am opening header dot component.html, and if user is logged in, that time we will just displaying that section. So let's create one more section there, and this, you can simply put there my orders, right? And we don't need this click event. I am just simply putting there a router link, and the router link will be my orders, right? And now, and we don't need this slash also, we can remove that. Now let's check again. If I'm just, let's say I'm the home page, I want to access the home my orders, we'll just click over there and we can access. If you want to try to delete one more, then you can, and you can see that there is a one order for a moment. And let's try to add one more item. So now, for example, let's you want to order that HP laptop with one quantity. Just go to the order, and if you just check out, provide some email ID and link, Noida sector X, and some details, and just click on the order detail. Your order is placed, and it will redact within a moment. Here again you can see that we got the two result. So flow is completely working fine. And one more thing that we will fix in next part. So you can see that once we just click on, we don't have item in our cart, and just clicking over there, it will just show the delivery charges, but it should not be there because we don't have any product to order, right? So we will just fix in that in next part. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it will help you out. And alright guys, I'll request you to subscribe my channel, like this video, and share your feedback in comment section. Thank you guys.